Hi guys, in today's mini video you will meet Honey Bunny. Honey Bunny is my second dog. We adopted him from a village in Romania after my first dog Google passed away 3 months after. So we've seen the puppies and they were so similar to Google that we said, me and my mother, that I said I need one. I need at least to see Google again. And I wanted a girl actually, but I was also open to the puppy that will come to me, to us, because you know, love by force never goes good. So I said, okay, I would love a girl dog, but if it's a boy, no problem. So from all the dogs there, from all the puppies, blonde like Honey Bunny, there were two, his sister and him. And he was the smallest and he was sick. He was 1 kilo. You will see in the videos that he's like a fur ball, but just because he has a fluffy fur. Actually, when we were holding him, we were feeling his bones, and it was so, I don't know, it broke my heart when I saw him so small and sick. He had a runny nose and we didn't know what he had, but I took him. When he saw, he was the only one who ran and jumped in my arms, so I said, okay, he is the one. Doesn't matter if it's sick or not, he is the one. We will take care of him. I will go with him at the doctor. I took him in the car and I thought, oh man, this is a 5-hour road trip and I don't think he's ready to spend so much time in the car. He will cry after his mother all the road. No, he was just waking up, looking to see if we are still there, and then going back to nanny, to sleeping. Potty training was very fast for him. He had something, because he has a small nose, the fur was blocking some area of his nose, and that's why he was always sick. I went with him to 3 doctors, and the third, with some antibiotic drops, managed to save him, and now he's another dog. But let's see the first 3 months of Honey Bunny's life, and you will see him barking, playing, and hopefully if you like this video we will do more with him. I have more, but you have to like him. Te filmezi. Ia-te la oglindă. Uite, dățule! Măriți!
pisică. Honey. Pleci la servici? Pleci la servici? Da?
Frică clăntiță e fa.
Kids, kids. Kids, kids. Kids, kids. Kids, kids. Ți-e frică de el?